Today I'm going to show you how to edit slow motion in CapCut, step by step, so you can make any clip look smooth, cinematic, and much more engaging. Whether you're editing a simple vlog, a reel, a TikTok, or a short film-style video, slow motion can instantly make your content feel more polished. And the best part is, CapCut makes this really easy once you know where the speed controls are. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick CapCut editing guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your project in CapCut. Once you're inside your edit, look down at the timeline and tap or click on the video clip you want to slow down. This is important because CapCut needs to know exactly which clip you want to edit before it shows the right tools. If you've got multiple clips in your timeline, make sure the correct one is selected before moving on. Now, if you only want to slow down a specific part of the clip instead of the entire video, you'll need to isolate that section first. To do that, use the split tool. Move the playhead to the exact point where you want the slow motion to start. Then split the clip, move it again to where you want the slow motion to end, and split it one more time. After that, you'll have a separate section that you can slow down without affecting the rest of the video. This is a really useful trick if you only want to emphasize one moment, like a jump cut, a beat drop, a transition, or a dramatic action shot. Once your clip or clip section is selected, look for the speed option in the toolbar. Tap or click speed to open the playback settings. Inside the speed menu, choose standard. This is the simple speed adjustment mode, and it's the one you want if you're trying to manually make the clip slower. After selecting standard, you'll see a slider that lets you control the playback speed. Now drag the slider to the left to slow the clip down. For example, you can set it to 0.5 times for a soft slow motion effect, or 0.3 times for a much more dramatic slowdown. The lower the number, the slower the video will play. As you adjust the slider, CapCut will update the clip speed so you can preview how it feels before you finish. If the motion starts looking too choppy, just bring the speed back up a little until it looks smoother and more natural. This is where it helps to think about the style of your video. A gentle slow motion effect works really well for talking headshots, lifestyle clips, and B-roll. A stronger slowdown can be great for action moments, cinematic edits, and emotional highlights. So don't just slow everything down as much as possible. Choose a speed that matches the mood of your content. After you've set the speed, play the clip back and check the result. If it looks good, you're done. If not, you can always go back and adjust the speed again until it feels right. That's one of the best things about CapCut. You can experiment quickly without making the process complicated. And that's really all there is to it. To recap, open your project, select the clip, split it if you only want part of it slowed down. Tap speed, choose standard, and drag the slider left to reduce the playback speed. With just those few steps, you can create smooth slow motion effects inside CapCut in just a minute or two. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more CapCut editing tips, and let me know in the comments what other CapCut features you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.